Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gas burners are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any kitchen, transforming raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces with their precise heat control and immediate responsiveness, making them a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike for their ability to deliver consistent and powerful flames that are crucial for everything from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil, ensuring your cooking experience is both efficient and enjoyable. Number 5. Camp Chef Explorer 2-Burner Outdoor Stove. Experience powerful cooking with dual 30,000 BTU burners. They provide fast and reliable heat wherever your adventures take you. Don't let the weather stop you. Its three-sided windscreen and sturdy design ensure excellent performance in any condition. Take it anywhere with ease. Detachable legs and an included hose make setup quick and simple at the campsite or tailgate. Expand your cooking possibilities. It's compatible with most 14-inch accessories for flexible outdoor meal preparations. Achieve perfect results every time. Appliance-style knobs provide easy and precise heat adjustments for consistent cooking. What we like. This stove offers powerful dual burners for quick heating, perfect for any outdoor meal. Its sturdy, weather-resistant build ensures reliability in various conditions. If you're looking for a versatile and durable camp stove that can handle diverse cooking needs and even connect to accessories, this is a great choice for your adventures. What people say. The burners ignite quickly and provide a consistent flame, making cooking more efficient. The stainless steel construction is durable and easy to clean, adding a sleek look to the kitchen. Individual burner controls offer precise temperature adjustment for various cooking needs. Number 4. GasOne 200K BTU Heavy-Duty Propane Burner. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this powerful and robust propane burner. Designed for serious outdoor chefs, it brings professional-level heat to your backyard. Crafted with a heavy-duty metal body and cast iron burners, this stove is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its protective coating ensures it lasts for years to come. Easily manage your cooking temperature with the adjustable 0 to 20 psi regulator. Adapt the heat precisely to your needs, from a gentle simmer to a powerful boil. Cook with confidence thanks to the included steel-braided hose and adjustable regulator. These safety features help prevent leaks and ensure a reliable connection to your propane tank. From camping trips to home brewing and turkey frying, this portable burner is your go-to for a wide range of outdoor cooking tasks. It's the perfect companion for any adventure. Join the ranks of outdoor cooking enthusiasts who trust this reliable and high-performance burner. Make your next outdoor meal unforgettable. What we like. Experience extreme heat with its massive 200,000 BTU output, ideal for demanding tasks like turkey frying or home brewing. Built with a heavy-duty metal body and cast iron burners, it's designed for longevity and safety. If you need a powerful, robust burner for large-scale outdoor cooking or specialized culinary projects, this is the one to get. What people say. The burner is easy to install and works perfectly. I love the sleek design of this burner, it looks great in my kitchen. The flame control is very precise, allowing for perfect cooking every time. Number 3. GasOne Propane Double Burner Camp Stove. Experience extreme heat for all your outdoor cooking needs. This double burner is perfect for everything from tailgating to catering, offering a wider range of heat control. This stove is built sturdy and designed for durability. Its rugged construction and detachable legs make it convenient to take anywhere and easy to store. Each burner has its own individual heat dial. You can easily adjust the flame for simmering, boiling, or any cooking task, meeting your precise needs. It comes with a long-lasting and durable regulator. This adjustable high-pressure regulator ensures a secure and reliable source of gas flow for your cooking. The high-quality regulator ensures a safe cooking experience. It monitors the propane gas flow and prevents leaks, giving you peace of mind while you cook. What we like. This double burner provides excellent heat for a variety of cooking scenarios, from tailgating to catering. Each burner has an individual heat dial for precise control, allowing you to simmer or boil with ease. If you need a portable yet powerful cooking solution with the flexibility to manage different heat levels simultaneously, this is an excellent option. What people say. The burner is very easy to clean. It has a very good flame control. The burner is made of high-quality material. Number 2. GasOne High-Pressure Cast Iron Burner Head Kit. Experience superior performance with this heavy-duty cast iron burner head. Its robust construction ensures durability and efficient heat distribution for all your cooking needs. Take control of your heat with the included 0 to 20 psi high-pressure regulator. Easily adjust the flame to your desired intensity, ensuring perfect results every time. This complete kit comes with a convenient 4-foot hose, providing ample length for flexible setup. Connect your fuel source with ease and get cooking. This versatile burner head is designed to be a universal replacement. While it works with both high and low pressure regulators, a high pressure option is recommended for maximum output. It features a brass fitting orifice, complete with an air shutter and spring. This ensures a precise fuel-air mixture for optimal combustion and consistent flame. Crafted from cast iron, this burner head is built to withstand high temperatures. Unlike aluminum, it's less prone to melting, offering a longer lifespan. This product is designed exclusively for use with propane. Simply connect your propane tank and enjoy powerful, reliable heat. What we like. This kit features a high-pressure cast iron burner head designed for durability and superior heat output. It includes a 0 to 20 psi regulator and a 4-foot hose for a complete setup. If you're looking for a robust, universal replacement burner head that can handle high pressure and offers excellent heat resistance, this is a solid choice for your outdoor cooking needs. What people say. This is a great product, and I am very happy with it. It works very well and is easy to use. I would recommend it to anyone looking for a new gas burner. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 1. Basecamp F235830 burner angle iron stove. Introducing the Basecamp F235830, a versatile 2-burner stove designed for all your outdoor adventures. Its durable angle iron construction ensures reliability wherever you go. Don't let uneven ground stop your cooking. This stove features adjustable legs, allowing you to create a perfectly level cooking surface even on challenging terrain. Measuring 14.88 inches in length and 19.88 inches in width, it's designed for convenience. Weighing just 12.45 pounds, it's easy to transport to your favorite spots. From hunting blinds and deer stands to camping trips and RV adventures, this stove is your ideal cooking partner. It's also great for tailgating, fishing, and patio gatherings. Enjoy brewing beer, canning, clam bakes, or simply boiling with this multi-purpose appliance. It's designed for all your outdoor culinary creations. This stove is built for outdoor use, making it perfect for sporting events, beach outings, and any activity where you need a reliable heat source away from home. What we like. Designed for uneven terrain, its adjustable legs ensure a stable cooking surface wherever you go. This stove is recommended for a wide range of outdoor activities, from hunting blinds to tailgating and even beer brewing. If you prioritize stability on rough ground and need a versatile, portable stove for various recreational and culinary pursuits, this is a great fit. What people say. The burner ignites quickly and provides a consistent flame. Easy to clean surface and durable construction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.